Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So on Monday market shows kind of volatility moment here. It goes down until 39,300 and also made high around 39,700. So you can clearly see here that it continuously took support from that 39,300 level previously also. Today it also tried to take support from that level, but in the longer trend it kinds of look negative to me because it made a reverse pull and flag pattern and buyer was not able to sustain around that higher side, and right now it trades around that lower zone. So if tomorrow or Wednesday if it trades below 39,300 or 39,000 level, then it may be show some rapid selling pressure here because it continuously halted there for around 1 and 2 weeks. So if it closes below that zone, then it may be show some negative movement here, and target you can set to 39,500. But let's assume that previously it took support from that level, and on around February month it also took support from that level. So let's assume that if it opens flat and opens gap up and do support from that level, then it may be goes up. But for taking any kind of buying trade with large quantity, it needs to closes above 39,600 or 700. But if it trades above 40,000 level, then it may be goes until 41,000 to round level 14,500 level. So in one day candle chart, as of now, it kinds of looks sideways to me. If on tomorrow or Wednesday, if it trades below that 39,300 level, then you can expect selling pressure there. Now let's look into 15-minute candle where you can take trade for buying or selling. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that today market opens flat and it tried to closes below that 39,300 level, but it immediately took support from that level and it made high around 39,500. As I said during live market that it needs to closes above 39,500 for taking any kind of buying trade. It continuously took resistance from that, and once again it also tried to closes above that 39,500, but it immediately took resistance from that. So it's kind of makes a M pattern here. It looks like negative kind of negative movement, but at the end it shows positive movement here and it made a W pattern here. So it kind of makes very confusing candle today, and at the end in the last 1 hours it made a large negative candle here, and right now it trades around that lower side which is 39,300. So if tomorrow market opens flat and it trades below 39,300 as I said, then you can take trade for selling, and our fast and immediate target will be 39,000. Next target we can set to 38,800 to 39,000. Next target we can set to 38,800 to 39. Next target you can set to 38,800 to 38,900. But let's assume that if it opens gap up or if it opens flat and shows any kind of positive movement, but for taking any kind of buying trade, if it flat opens flat and if it trades above 39,500, then after that we can expect any kind of buying trade, and target will be around 39,700 to 750 level. But if it opens large gap down and continuously goes down, then you can also take trade for selling, and target as I said 39,000 to 38,800 level. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. In Nifty, you can clearly see that it also make a doji candle here, and right now it trades below 70,000 level, and previously it also to act as a support level around September month, and on March starting it also took support from that level. So if tomorrow market opens flat or if it trades below 16,900 level, then you can expect selling pressure here, and target will be around 16,835 to round level 16,800. But let's assume that if it opens gap up or if it trades above or try to trade above 70,000 level and shows positive movement on one day candle chart, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be around 7,100 to 130. But as of now it made a doji candle here, so and in longer trend it also made kind of negative situation here. So my suggestion would be either let it closes above 17,000 level for taking any kind of buying trade, but if it trades below that trend line which is 16,910 or 900 level, and if it trades below that, then you can take trade for selling. Now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of buying or selling trade for tomorrow. In 15-minute candle you can clearly see that Nifty kinds of opening gap up, and after that it continuously shows positive movement here, but at the end it continuously hit resistance from that 7,008 level, and previously also I said you that it may be act as a resistance level which is 7,080 to 7,100, and today it immediately took resistance from that level, and right now it trades around 16,920. If you skip that last 1 hour, then it kind of looks positive to me because it continuously goes up and made new highs, and it also made lower high. That it is kind of a positive scenario for me, but it immediately took resistance from that level. It's kind of immediately looks like negative scenario here. So if it opens flat and try to closes below 16,940 or 920, and after that it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be 16,840 to round level 16,800. Let's assume that if it opens a gap up, then it needs to closes above 7,040 or 7,050, or after that if it shows any kind of conservative movement, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around that resistance zone, which is 7,100 level. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components. Our first component is HDFC Bank, and you can clearly see here that it continuously took support from that 1560 level, and immediately took resistance from that 1580 level. So either it needs to closes below that for taking any kind of selling trade, but if it opens a gap up or if it trades above 1570, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 1580. In ICICI Bank, you can clearly see here that it right now trades below that zone, which is 850 to 860 level, and if tomorrow market once again try to goes down, then you can take trade for selling. Target will be around 840. In SBI Bank, it made a doji candle here, and it continuously took support from that 500 level, which previously acted as a support level also. So it needs to closes below that for taking any kind of selling trade, but continuously it shows negative movement here, so it made a doji candle here. So if tomorrow or Wednesday, if it shows any kind of positive movement, or if it trades above 515, then you can take trade for buying also, and target will be around 525 to round level 530. In Kotak Bank, you can clearly see that it right now trades above 1700 level, but it have the resistance around 1710, so it needs to closes above that for taking any kind of buying trade. But if it opens flat and it trades below 1700 once again tomorrow, then you can assert some selling pressure here. 1680 to 85 is our target level. In Axis Bank, you can clearly see here that it continuously trades below that 840 level, which previously acted as a major support level. So it maybe continuously goes down. If it trades below 830, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around round level 820. Now let's look into our last bank, which is IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, you can clearly see that it continuously tried to take support from that 1000 level, but kind of looks negative to me. So if on tomorrow or Wednesday or expiry day, if it trades below 1000 level, then you can expect some selling pressure there, and that to be around 950 to 975. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any doubt or any question, then let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it.